Hey, so what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing BC coilovers on my Civic SI, my 8th gen. So right now I got my jack. Jack it up. So I got the impact gun. I'll take it off. So I just got the wheel out. Now gotta get the coils out. Take out these bolts, and then take out the bolts from up here. These three, which is a pain because I don't want to take all this plastic off. So I have to fit in from here. So I just got all the bolts out from here. And then I unbolted the one from here and then took the one from there too. So now I just gotta take the bottom one out. And then that's it. And then now there it goes. And then the coils out. These are D2s, and right now I just got BC coils. So yeah, BCs are going in. So these are the BC coils. I put anti-seize so they don't get like these are not seized up. It's just because of the salt and or the water and stuff. It got like that, but I'm gonna clean it up and everything. And BCs. There's nothing wrong with these. It's just that I wanted something more stiff. And then the adjustable wasn't working anymore. And then I just wanted something a little bit more stiff. So now let's put on the BCs on. So right now I'm about to adjust the camber. I'm gonna put it all the way in to negative because the other ones were negative. So I'm about to put these in negative too. So I'll be right back. So now I put it in like that. It's not even all the way in, but it's like a little bit over here that I can just put the bolt in because I'm doing this by myself. And it's not easy doing it by myself, but I could do it. It's just gonna take me a little bit longer, but I could do it. So now I have to line it up over here. Shit. And put it up straight there, and then you gotta push this down until you get it. So I just put these two bolts in now. Now I just put the nuts in. Look for the nuts, top and bottom. I didn't tighten up the top yet because I wanted to make sure the bottom will go in easy. Now I tighten up these, and after I tie these up, I go up here and then tighten them up, and then I'll be done with this. So now I'm onto the other side, the right side. I just got the left side done already. Now I'm onto this one. So yeah, after this I'm doing the back, and then yeah, I'll be done. So the bolt from last time, it got stripped, so I had to get the iron, whatever it's called, bolt socket to get it out. I had to hammer it in. It hammered it so hard, and now it's like spinning out. So that's good. I got the OEM bolt, so I don't even care about the bolt anymore. So I bought a new bolt. So now to take out the backs, and then that side, and then so now I have to take out the one from back here. This one is a 14. So now. And you have to put an Allen key through it to hold it in place. So now what I do is just like unscrew it. So I just unbolted the one over here. So now it's off, and just wiggle it out. Second, I'm by myself, so push this down. go. So I got it. This one is still good. It's just that I want my BCs. Now, get the BCs. Have the BC right here. Both of them. The springs are over there. And these. Here they are. So I got it out. I used this to take it out of pipe. It was really easy. I just put it right here. That's why this is all bent. I bent it. So I put it here and I just sat on it because I'm by myself and I have to do everything. So now let me get the BC springs. I got both of them right here. I put anti-seize in all of them so they could be good. Because the salt in New York, man, it be messing up everything. The new bolt that I got for the shock. So I have some anti-seize here. I'll put some anti-seize so it doesn't seize up in there. I put the shock already in. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bolt in. After I put the bolt in, I'm gonna put the pipe, I'm gonna pull it down so I can put the spring in. So this side is done. The spring is on, the shock is on, bolted up. This is tied up already. So now to put back the wheel and then onto the next side. So now I'm on the other side. It took me a little bit for the other one because I was adjusting it because the other one is different. It was longer, the shock was longer, so I had to put it all the way to maxed out. And then the spring too, I maxed it out. And this is what it's looking at. No, it's not looking like that, but it's because I have the other side jacked up, so. So now I'm on this side. I took out the bolt from the bottom already. Now, I just have to do the one right here. This one. So I just got my energy bushings for the rear, for right here. I didn't install it earlier because I was waiting for it, and then I got home and they were home, so I came to install them. So let's get to it. And red, and then these are the OEM black ones. And these are more stiff, way better. So let's get to it. So I already got that one, this side, the right side, on both sides, like right here, in there. So now I'm onto the other side, and yeah, this is broken because before in the summer I was really low, and then I had some MB battles, 18x9, 9.5. So I'm tying up the top, and you have to tie it really tight because since the rubber is harder than this, you have to tie it really hard so it could like press in into the hole right here. So tie it really hard. So I forgot to close out the video. It's a couple of days after I was driving the car, and the car feels amazing now. The BC coils are really stiff. I like how it rides. It rides way better, hands are way better. The turnings are better, everything. The D2s I had, the adjustable wasn't working. I don't know why. I bought them like that because I bought them used out of somebody, and then the adjustables were not working. So I just wanted some stiffer like coilovers, and then I bought the BC. So next what I'm gonna get is probably the A-back sway bars and more stuff to it, so to make it handle way better. So I hope this video was helpful for some people who don't have a lot of experience on working on cars. I hope this video helped you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe, comments, and like this video. I'll be posting weekly videos, lifestyle videos with my girlfriend, challenges, whatever. I'm gonna be doing like car videos and vlogs, whatever I do throughout my daily routine, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you, and you will see me next week with another video.